So hello everyone, welcome back to the new project video in CodersArts. So in this project video, we are going to learn about a new idea which is known as the recipe application, your personal culinary assistance. So basically, we are going to create a recipe application here. So let's move to the introduction part. In introduction, we can see I have given the project name is the recipe application, and the objective of creating this application to provide the user with an extensive and the easy to use platform for discovering and managing recipes, simplifying cooking and the meal planning. So who are the target audience we are going to focus? So home cooks, food enthusiasts, and anyone who is interested in exploring the new recipes and the culinary ideas. So let's move to the key feature that we are going to develop in this application. We are going to create a vast recipe database, includes a wide range of the dishes, parties, and the main courses, desserts, and beverage. And we are going to cover various cuisines: Italian, Chinese, Mexican, and the dietary preferences, vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free foods. So next, we are going to add the advanced search filter, and we are going to search by the ingredient, dish name, and the dietary needs, and according to the cooking times, we are going to add these filters. And we are going to create a user-friendly interface. We are going to intuitive navigation with the clear categories and the tags, and we are going to do the visual appealing of the recipes layout with images, step-by-step instruction. And finally, we are going to create a personalized experience. We are going to add the save favorite recipes and a custom recipe collection, and we are going to recommend the recipe based on the user preferences and the past searches. So let's move to the implementation part that we are going to use. We are going to create a UI UX design. We are going to focus on a clean and intuitive design with an easy access feature, and prioritize the user experience with the responsive layout and accessible navigation. And secondly, we have a backend team as well, so we are going to develop the backend, and we are going to use a robust database to store the recipes for the user data and the preferences. We are going to implement the APIs for the recipe data integration and updates. For front-end part, we are going to create our mobile application by using the Android SDK and Kotlin for the optimal performance, and we are going to implement the smooth transition and interactive elements for engaging experience. And fourthly, we are going to do the content management. We are going to create and update all the recipes database with the high quality of recipes and the images. We are going to include the community driven content for the diversity of culinary option, and we are going to testing and deployment. So in testing, we are going to conduct a through testing for the functionality, usability, and compatibility. We are going to launch our application on the Google Play Store if you want. Otherwise, we are just use for if you are we are creating the application for general use or just for the project. We are going to create the APK. So what is the benefit of creating this application for user? For user, basically. We are going to easy access to a wide variety of the recipes and personalized meal planning and convenient to the shopping list features. For developers, we are just experiences and creating. So for developers, we are going to experiences and creating the comprehensive, engaging culinary application. And what is the future enhancement we are going to add is basically integration of the smart kitchen devices, smart oven, fridge, and voice guided to the cooking instruction and for the hand cooking. And we are going to add the AI powered personalized recipe recommendation and the meal planning. So if you wanted to continue with this idea or you have any other idea, so you can just drop a mail to the contact@coderart.com. So thank you for being with us.